Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will take you through the GST migration process for the service tax and central excise taxpayers. So this is as per the document issued by the CBEC. In the first step, the taxpayer obtains GSTN login ID and password from the access.gov.in. So as we already mentioned in the previous screen that you need to log into the ACS portal to get your provisional ID and password. So you can easily see in this screen that once you log into the portal, you need to click at a particular place from which you will be able to obtain the provisional ID and password. But before obtaining the provisional ID and password, I will suggest that you should also simultaneously update your email ID and mobile number so that you should not face any issue at the time of GST migration. So once you click at that link which was provided, so this screen will pop up that will have the details of the provisional ID of the GST and the password. So friends, in some cases your login credentials may have been shared through state-wide authorities. If you have completed the enrollment process using these credentials, you do not need to repeat the process. And in other cases where your user ID and password are still awaited from GSTN, you can connect with the CBEC Mitra through the below mentioned toll-free number or the email ID. You can connect with the CBEC Mitra and you can verify with them that when you will be able to receive the GSTN or why you have not till received the GSTN. You can get all the clarifications from them. So once the provisional ID and password has been obtained, then you will log into the gst.gov.in portal. So this is how it looks like. So as you are a first time user, so you need to click on a new user login. So friends, you need to log in by clicking on this new user login link. So in this screen, you need to tick this checkbox and then click on continue. You need to enter the provisional ID and password that has been received from the ACS portal. Also mention the characters as visible in the below image. Then click on login. Enter the email ID and mobile number. Click on continue. Enter the OTP as you have received on your email ID and mobile number. If you have not received, then please click on resend OTP. If you have received, then click on continue. As you are a new user, you need to provide your username and password that you want to use in future for logging into the gst.gov portal. Click on continue. You need to answer all the security questions as mentioned in this screen. Once it is done, click on submit. Now your username and password has been successfully created. So this screen talks about the provisional ID enrollment details. So business details, promoter details, authorized signatory, principal place of business, additional place of business, goods and services, bank accounts, and the verification of the details are to be done by a taxpayer who wants to do the enrollment for GST. So once the details are verified, you just need to click on this checkbox, mention the authorized signatory name or details. So this will be a drop down that will have values as per the details that you have filled in your enrollment application. Mention the place and you need to affix the DSC in case you are a company or LLP. In case of any other assessee who do not have the DSC, they can save their application and they can come back again for either signing it with the e-signatures, or they can obtain the DSC and then attach their DSCs and submit their application. So once it is done, so you have successfully submitted your enrollment application. The system shall verify and validate the information that you have submitted, after which acknowledgement will be sent to you in next 20 minutes. So these are the details that you need to be ready with before starting with the enrollment. So you need to have the registration certificate, the partnership deed with respect to your business details. For promoter or partners, you need photographs for each, which are to be uploaded in the JPEG format. So some things are to be uploaded in JPEG and some things can be done in PDF or JPEG as required by the gst.gov.in portal. Authorized signatory, for them you need to have a proof of appointment and a photograph. For principal or additional place of businesses, you need to attach the address proofs for each of them. And bank accounts, you need to have statement or first page of that for each of your bank accounts, whatever you mention in your enrollment application. For any assistance, you can contact the GSTN common portal or the GSTN help desk, and the numbers are 01244688999, or you can just watch their tutorial for any further help. So once it has been done, you will be able to get your provisional GSTN on the appointed date. Thank you very much for watching us again.